Today I will guide you through how to apply your eye drops. Begin by washing your hands. Remove the cap from the eye drop bottle. Be careful not to touch the tip of the bottle to keep it sterile. If you're using the drops for the first time, press the base of the bottle until the first drop appears at the tip. This primes the bottle and it's ready for use. Tilt your head back slightly. Hold the bottle in one hand, positioning it directly above your eye. Use your other hand to gently pull down your lower eyelid, creating a small pocket. Gently press the bottle to release one drop into the pocket of your lower eyelid. Avoid letting the tip of the bottle touch your eye or eyelid. After applying the drop, close your eye gently for a few seconds to allow the drop to spread evenly across the surface of your eye. Repeat the process for your other eye. You may find it easier to use a mirror. After applying the drops, replace the cap on the bottle.